Hi, this is a video. I had this little Pennsylvania tender, and it actually does have some rail sounds in there, but it's a Lionel, and this is how I got it. I looked under there. When I saw the set, yeah, it looked fine, but look, he's got this thing tied on there. You believe that? I mean, that's ridiculous because this brass wire could short out the track. So I'm just going to lay the phone here so I can show you what I did. I got this little screwdriver. I ordered this piece, okay? So you could order, very cheap, you could order that little piece, and that's what's going to actually replace this. Believe it or not, that even though it looks different, I mean, I don't see this middle hole. Well, I guess that was ripped out of there. But I'm going to put this, I'm going to take this out with this small screwdriver. Now, I always recommend having a magnetic tip, which I do not have right now. And you might actually see why I recommend it in a second. I'm not going to be able to pick that off, so I'm going to go upside down with this. No, it still didn't come out. And it's probably because he's got that wire wrapped around somewhere. So you really do need that magnetic tip. Really helps. I don't know what he's got this wire wrapped around. It's crazy. So anyway, let me get my nail under it. There we go. I got the screw out. Now, I still can't get this dumb thing out of there. Oh my God. There it is. Okay, it was wrapped around the piece. Now, these hooks go face down. See those little hooks right here? Those little hooks right there. They go face down, and you could also tell by the direction of the way the coupler is. Goes right on there. Bink, and you clip it in. Now, you go look on the Lionel website. They're very good at telling you what part you need. Get your box set number. Look how quick this was to change that. You know, a lot of people might make like that's a big issue. You don't have to kill it. Just go in light. Oh, look what I did. Oh, good. I was able to bend it over it. Let's go in light. Okay. There it is. It's back in. So that's all there is to changing that. And you can see what that does. It kind of allows it to move, you know, that springy piece, those little feet, locks it in. So this tender's good. So we can now throw this gizmachi in the garbage. All right, I hope that helped anybody looking. I could throw out, this is the packing it comes in. My next project will be, this is the wire. This is a hard piece to find, but I got a hold of one. This is actually for the Polar Express set. This is for a Rail Chief command control. Well, I forgot what you call it. Rail Chief. What is it called? Lion Chief. That's it. This is for the Lion Chief. So I'm going to be putting this on the Polar Express tender. I'm probably going to have to solder these wires in place. That'll be the next video. All right.